Alright, so this will be one very quick video, and I'm about to show you how you can create posts on Tumblr. There are several different types of posts that you can create on Tumblr, and actually the only one that you need for our purposes is the photo post. In order to create a photo post, you can do it in two ways. The first one is to click this photo icon here, or you can click this pencil icon here, and then again you have the photo icon. It's exactly the same thing. The second thing that you have to do is select the photo that you're going to use on your post by either uploading a photo, or you can add a photo from Google, for example. So you can go on Google and you can say, well, Audi RS6, we have a blog about cars, so we want a car. Let's pick a car, let's pick this car, and let's take its URL and simply paste it here. There it is. Our photo is right here. If you want, you can write some description with the photo, like this is a very cool Audi RS6. I really like its colors. And then you can include some tags about it. So let's make an Audi. Let's make black car, for example, and all the relevant tags for your niche. So pretty much this is how you create a basic post. In the next videos we will discuss what tags you should actually use, what are the must tags that you must have on every single one of your posts. You can also add a link on the photo itself, like this. You click on this little icon here, and you can say google.com, for example, click done and post. Alright, so here is our first post, and now with the link that we have created, if we click on the image, it will redirect us to Google. Simple as that. So you can even add links on your images.